Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data from Google Forms. Once your form is live and collecting responses, Google Forms automatically organizes all submissions. You can easily access this data directly within the form interface or export it for more in-depth analysis. We will cover how to view summaries, individual responses, and prepare your data for advanced uses. This process helps you quickly gain insights from your collected information. To begin, open your Google form and click on the Responses tab. Here, you will find an immediate overview of your collected data. Google Forms generates helpful summary charts, like pie charts for multiple-choice questions, giving you instant visual insights. You can also easily switch to view responses by individual question or examine each submission one by one. This built-in analysis is perfect for quick reviews. For more powerful data manipulation, you will want to link your form to Google Sheets. Simply click the green Sheets icon in the Responses tab to create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one. Every form submission will then automatically appear as a new row in your chosen Google Sheet. This integration allows you to leverage all of Google Sheets' robust features for sorting, filtering, and performing complex calculations on your data. With your data in Google Sheets, the possibilities for advanced utilization are vast. You can create custom charts, build pivot tables for deeper analysis, or even write custom formulas to extract specific insights. Furthermore, consider integrating your data with other platforms, such as Google Looker Studio, for dynamic dashboards. You can also share specific tabs or filtered views of your spreadsheet with team members, ensuring secure and collaborative data use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.